Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas wreath decoration ideas I will share with friends. So friends, let's start today video. I am going to share some beautiful and creative Christmas wreath decoration ideas that will make your home feel warm and festive this holiday season. A Christmas wreath is one of the best way to decorate your door or wall. It's look welcome, cozy and full of joy. So let's get started. Classic red and green wreath. Take a plain wreath base made of tree or foam, warp it with green pins, leaf or artificial garland. Now add red berries, ribbon and a big bow on top. You can also add a few pin cones for a natural touch. It looks simple but gives that perfect traditional Christmas feel. Snow White wreath. If you love a winter look, this one's for you. Spray your wreath base with white paint or artificial snow. Add silver ornaments, white flowers and a silver ribbon. It sparks beautifully and look elegant on any doors. Candy canes wreath. Use red and white ribbon to warp around your wreath base. Attach some fake candies, small gifts boxes and shining balls. It's colorful, playful and perfect for kids to help with the two nature wreath. Take a twin or crepe element base, decorated with a dry orange and green cones. Add a jute or burlap bow or to complete the look. This wreath is small, amazing and gives cozy farmhouse feeling. Viewers and friends, golden wreath. Use golden ornaments, ribbon and tiny balls to decorate your wreath. Ribbon and tiny bells to decorate your wreath. Add warm fairy lights for an extra spark. It's look rich and elegant, perfect for your living room or main door. You can also mix your own style, add photo, little Santa or even small toys. And if you like crafts, make your wreath from paper, felt or buttons. It's fun and creative. Once your wreath is ready, hang it on your front door, window or above your fireplace. It instantly the Christmas better to everyone who visits. So friends, these were some